A new academic year has begun. Across our partner schools, students are getting ready to explore science through hands-on experiments. But before these learning experiences reach the classroom, a great deal of preparation happens behind the scenes. Over the past few months, teachers from different districts visited Prayoga campus as part of the Teacher Empowerment Program. Through immersive sessions, they explored experiential learning, underwent training on effective pedagogy, and ways to make science more engaging and meaningful for students. To ensure that this learning reaches every teacher, our team has also created experiment demonstration videos. These videos serve as a valuable resource, helping teachers revisit the training and enabling those who could not attend to benefit from the same learning experience. From setting up experiments and recording every step to editing, reviewing, and organizing the content, each video is carefully prepared to support classroom implementation. What reaches a classroom may appear as a set of videos. Behind them, however, lies the effort of educators, facilitators, researchers, and support teams working together with a shared purpose to make science learning active, engaging, and accessible for every child. As school reopens, these resources begin their journey to classrooms, helping teachers nurture curiosity, creativity, and a spirit of exploration among students.